My name is Nuria Delama. I'm the Impact Manager for the Graph-Massivizer project and one of the initiators of the DataNexus cluster. I'm so happy to have DataNexus as part of the European Big Data Value Forum in the 2025 edition here in Copenhagen. I think it's very, very important that now for all these projects that we have a forum where we can showcase all the results produced by all the projects and which are the conditions to use these results.
The main goal of our project is to be an enabler for extreme data analytics by providing the appropriate tools and by providing deployment recipes so that people can actually leverage European supercomputing centers to do extreme data analytics. The collaborative activity, the DataNexus cluster, has helped us to compare our technologies to the ideas of partners and to the ideas of peers, and to also envision how they can be combined. I think it's no wonder why EU is funding all of us, because it's actually matching in a way that we can offer in the end a portfolio of solutions.
The Extract project mainly focuses on how you can develop, deploy and execute workflows that are capable of managing extreme data across the compute continuum, making an efficient use of the different resources that are needed to process the different kind of data. One of the best things about the DataNexus clusters and clusters in general is that most of the time you are focused on your project. And by participating in this type of clusters, it really opens your mind because it allows you to see how different projects are addressing the same problem, that is extract data, but from a different angle, with different use cases, and with different requirements of the data that are coming.
Graph-Massivizer is basically providing a platform for ingesting and processing extreme data. In the real world, we don't have discrete data, we have always continuous data, which if you look at real scenarios, they always have extreme data. So we need solutions to analyze or utilize them. Being part of a cluster, it allows you to meet other people, to collaborate with other projects. So I would say it basically fosters a community to share your information and share your technologies, and it builds a trust.
Our project, that it's named NearData, it's mainly about cloud computation close to the data. In the different use cases that are all focused on health, like genomics, metabolomics, and surgery, we really applied this kind of NearData techniques to optimize the data pipelines and have really huge improvements in performance. The cluster helped us a lot. For example, in impact and dissemination, we came to BDBA with them, and the cluster is helping us a lot to achieve this impact. We are referencing each other, but also we are learning from each other. Even we are using tools from other projects, they are using tools from us. This networking is not normal. I coordinated previous projects, and this was not happening. And when you have a cluster, really this community is created.
The DataNexus cluster really started as a kind of initiative to see who else was in the same Horizon Europe call on extreme data mining, and to see how we can collaborate, share stories, and then also kind of build a network. I'm so happy that we could collaborate in this experience together as a cluster, because it's been extremely fruitful for all of the projects together, and that we've been able to meet and understand and really share and build a community around this cluster.
What we are trying to do with the DataNexus cluster is to ensure that all these results that have been generated by the project can flow into other developments, and we avoid reinventing the wheel, and we can create maximum impact of all these results that we have generated.